Evening everybody. Today let's create passport size photograph with different backgrounds in Microsoft Word. So let's start the video. First of all, let's take a new Word document and let me rename this as passport size photograph. And let's double click on it and it will open the Microsoft Word file. Here let me copy this photograph and then we click on insert and let's take a shape, a rectangle shape from here, and let's remove the outline and let's apply color, blue color. Okay, and let's put the size 1.77 and 1.37. okay, to make it passport size. Alternatively, you can take any size according to your wish. Here let's paste the photograph that we have copied earlier, and now let me select this in front of text so that this photograph we can paste this above this blue color rectangle shape. Now let's crop it so that it will look better passport size photograph. Now I paste the photograph here. Now let's click on this remove background, and now let's use this green color mark areas symbol, mark areas to keep symbols to make this photograph more perfect. Okay, let's repair these imperfections by using this mark areas to keep symbol. Okay, by clicking with this pencil icon on these different areas. Now click on this and this will make this will remove the background color. Okay, now let's group this photograph and the figure into the shape. Okay, now let's press Ctrl plus D, or by pressing Ctrl and Shift key together and dragging the left mouse button over this, we can make duplicate of these photographs. So in this way we can create different passport size photograph, and we can change the background of these colors also by selecting all this photograph or by grouping all this photograph. Okay, let's group this, and after that we can click on this already grouped photograph and we can make the duplicate. You can make duplicate of this photograph by pressing Ctrl plus D or Ctrl Shift key together and continuously pressing the left mouse button and then drag the photograph so that you can make the duplicate of this passport size photographs. So see, we already created different photographs, passport size photographs. Here you can select fill color and you can apply different colors to these images. See, I have applied yellow color here by clicking on this shape fill and by selecting different colors. So it is very simple. In this way we can create passport size photograph with different colors according to our wish. And now we can click on this print button to print this photograph. We can select the printers that we have installed in the computer. Okay, that's all for today. Let me come to you with new videos later on.